Are you interested in real estate investing but having a tough time getting started? Do you dream of building wealth for yourself and your family? Or do you dream of a steady, stable, passive income outside your 9-to-5? Or even better, are you looking for a sustainable, concrete plan for early retirement? My name's Isaiah Henry and I'm the founder of First Position Real Estate, and I'm so excited to invite you to our event, the Rookie Real Estate Investment Workshop. Based off my book, The Rookie Real Estate Investor, our workshop will take you through the basic fundamentals needed for you to get started in real estate investing. Together, we will work through the 7-step investing framework to highlight everything you need to find, fund, and close your next or first real estate investment. From identifying your financial position to identifying your investment strategy, we'll talk about building a power team and then taking it all the way to the closing table. Everything and more, all featured in the Rookie Real Estate Investment Workshop. Now, to make this event even better, I've teamed up with a few real estate professionals to add even more value for all those in attendance. Now, these real estate professionals have experience as real estate agents, wholesalers, and even as a mortgage agent. They're going to bring you so much advice to help you get started in real estate. By the end of this workshop, not only will you have completed all the hands-on activities involving market analysis and property analysis, but you will also have a holistic view of real estate investing and a plan to get you started. Well guys, I'm so excited to see you for the Rookie Real Estate Investment Workshop. It's truly going to be a great event. We have both VIP and general admission tickets ready for everyone. But guys, remember, there's limited seating, so make sure you get your tickets and RSVP as soon as you can. Oh yeah, don't forget, we're gonna have tons of giveaways, door prizes, and even refreshments. It's really gonna be a great event, and I can't wait to see you guys all there.